This is my collection of Yowies, and I have 2 more, and I'm going to see what's inside of them. This one is the buff. There's some chocolate. And it's really good. It's in the shape of a buff, I think. There's this egg right here. And I'm going to see what's inside of it. There is, I think this is a leopard shark. And let's see what it is. I was correct. It's a leopard shark, striped surfers, hanging out in large numbers on the west coast to Mexico. The leopard shark loves shallow waters and being with other leopard sharks. Leopard sharks, also called zebra sharks, can be up to 5 feet long. They sometimes surf onto mud flats to eat and ride back on the same wave. So he has like these suckers on the bottom, and he has really cool stripes. I get why it's also called a zebra shark, because it's the same colors as like a zebra. And it has a cool dorsal fin. Looks like it would stay on the bottom of the sand. And it's a cool shark.